Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. Right now, I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is go. The spelling of this word is A-G-O, go. The meaning of this word is age ba purbe. So right now, I'm going to say some sentences using this word. He left 10 minutes ago. He died long ago, or he died a long time ago. She was here just a minute ago. He stopped working some time ago. How long ago did you buy it? The dinosaurs died out 65 million years ago. Long ago, or a long time ago, there lived a girl called Cinderella. So right now, I'm going to drill two sentences from here. He stopped working some time ago. 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 সে কিছুক্ষণ আগেই বা মোটামুটি ভালো সময় আগেই কাজ করা বন্ধ করলো। How long ago did you buy it? 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 তুমি এটা কত আগে কিনেছিলে? Thank you very much.